Very good morning, everybody. Today, our topic is how to control CANoe from Python, how to execute test CANoe test from Python. So, usually in the past, we studied about test automation using CAPL and C#. Now, we are going to explore Python, like how to control CANoe simulation or test execution. Okay, no, that is our goal. For that, when you install latest CANoe demo version, you will get this Python 3.9 by default. But with basic installation, it won't work. You cannot link Python with the CANoe, but you have to install some packages. Right now, I have installed those packages before, so I am going to start that. So it is very easy. Installing package is not a big deal. If you just use package installation command, you can use that. Even the packages names are available here, right? Like Win32com, like that. We have different packages. We have to install them. After installing it, we can try to run CANoe from Python. Okay, no. So these are some steps that is available in a different online posting. That means the experts in this field has posted sample codes, so we can those sample codes. I took those sample codes and then I tried to learn by myself, like how to work with that. So let me start with, so as of now there is no CANoe opened right now. So with that, I am going to import each and every libraries. It was already imported, but for the sake of understanding, for the sake of explanation, I want to import them one more time. So import OS. This is just like we are trying to control from command line, otherwise command line prompt of Python, from that is from Python. But in future we will develop, we can use IDEs and other stuff to do this right now. So I imported OS and then import sys, import subprocess. I don't know why we need this. Import time and then import threading, and then from win32com dot client, I think this is the key package, import start, right? So after doing it, we are also from win32com dot client dot connect, that means the connect package, import start. So done. So all necessary packets are installed. Now we are going to create an instant for our CANoe application in the Python. For that, the command is application. So you can use any variable. I just use application variable name, otherwise instant name just equal to win32com dot client dot dispatch ax, inside double quotes CANoe dot application, right? I'm going to execute this command. The moment I execute that command, something happens, like it start CANoe. This was the topic that was asked by my students long back, like when are you going to start this Python based automation course? We want to join it. So there were multiple requests for that. Today I started the initial work right now. So see, it is started. Now the CANoe is up and it is open. So only thing is, now we have to start the measurement. See here, the measurement is stop. Now let me start that. To start it, I have an instant application Inside that I have another things like measurement is another thing. In that, from there I am calling a function measurement dot start. The moment I call this function, see here my measurement is started. My CANoe configuration is running. See, we even in the demo version we are able to do this much of automation using Python. All right, that is from my view. We have to appreciate Victor for allowing us to do this much of things even in the demo version. See here we started the measurement. Now I am going to stop the measurement. Application dot measurement dot stop. That's all. It's stopped. This is the key point. This is the very first step in the Python based automation. I believe I am successful in that. Let us explore the many things in this field in upcoming section. Thank you for watching.